On the 28th of April, when I was arrested before your court, Your Lordship, that was a plan. And the plan was hatched in the office of the President, the number one office of the number one in the country, that I'm a problematic advocate. I'm interfering with a plan that has been hatched, that my client should take the responsibility of the murder of Senzo Meyiwa, despite the fact that they were innocent. So,
I'm sorry, my lord, and I don't want to be rude to my learned friend, but we suggest, my lord, if my learned friend is going to withdraw, that he should just do so, my lord. I think it's unfair to malign institutions or other persons, my lord. I don't think it's proper. The people who don't have the opportunity to defend themselves.
No, Mr. Valoy, I'm the one withdrawing. Can you sit down?
Yeah, but can you talk about withdrawal? I've heard
Yes.
I have
It's a proper, Your Lordship, that when I talk about
and I'm
withdrawal,
not going to listen to you on end.
what
You
is
are
proper-
withdrawing. You're part of the reason why you are withdrawing is because I am part of your harassment.
Yes.
Yes. And anything else?
No. Can I be allowed to say what I have
No.
to say?
No.
I don't have to say.
Yes.
I don't have that right to say.
You don't have.
I must
the
just say
right-
I withdraw.
You don't have the right
I must just say I withdraw.
to be irrelevant and go on end. You have carried the message. You are withdrawing. You have conveyed the reason behind your withdrawal. I'm not prepared to listen to anything else.
Are you guys even aware what you guys did to our lives?
Ingabe niyakwazi yini bafise nakwenze empilweni
Are you
zethu?
guys even aware of what you guys did to us as a family on that day?
Miss Khumalo? Miss Khumalo? Miss Khumalo?
The damage that you guys caused.
Miss Khumalo, you're not supposed to do that. You.
My lord, I strongly object to this. In the strongest possible terms, we object to this.
Mr. Baloy, do you want to?
As the business.
In the case of the state versus, sorry, it's Gumbi versus the state. Yes, versus Gumbi, sorry, and others. The citation is 2018 to SACR 676 SCA. In this case, which happened here in Pretoria, my late brother, George Webster, handled the same case. Unfortunately, he couldn't write the judgment because he was incapacitated physically. And what consequently happened, another judge was appointed to rehear the case. And what he or she did was to continue as if nothing has happened by eliciting from the various counsels that the evidence which has been led in the previous case, do you agree or give consent that it should be made part of the trial, which is now continuing before a new judge? The assent by this counsel was supposed to circumvent the unfortunate delay of the trial. But the SCA held that that was unlawful. So the evidence which was led in the previous trial, it's a nullity.
Give the description of the knife the alleged second intruder possessed, because there was no second intruder who entered the house.
Engingakusho-ke mina ukuthi wayekhona umuntu wesibili wayephethe ummese lapha. Ngingavele ngithi wayengekho nje umuntu ngobani. Wayekhona umuntu wesibili wayephethe ummese and uyena lo waphuma nami wangijaha.
What is your comment about what Zandile Khumalo testified about the first shot hitting the floor and she running into the bathroom and you running into the bedroom?
Uthini-ke wena-ke umphawula?
Lokho akushoyo ukuthi wabaleka ngabaleka ngangena ibedroom yena wangena ibedroom angibona ukuthi wangenaphi ne.
Now there where it has to do with her running and getting into the bathroom and myself running and getting into the bedroom, I cannot ascertain that. I didn't see her running into the bathroom.
And secondly, even after sesibuyile esibhedlela angibonanga ukuthi inhlamvu yashaya phi mina.
Even when we had come back from the hospital, I did not notice where the bullet hit or the spot which was hit by the bullet.
Engwaziyo kwasikhombisa nje la unyaweni la right ngala phezulu kweqakala la ayinento encane nje ngathi kuvushanyana.
Now what I know is that she actually showed us a chip on the skin that is on the just on above the ankle or the front portion of the foot in that ankle area of the foot. It was just a superficial kind of an injury, just an abrasion. It wasn't big. That's what she showed us.
So you did not see when the gunshot went off and hitting the floor in the kitchen?
No, angikubonanga lokho nje angisho ukuthi ngezwa sezwa ngayisesibonisa nje la elimele khona la iqala ngaphezulu kweqala la esinyaweni la right.
I did not witness that. We only heard it from her at the time that she was now showing us that she sustained a superficial injury just on the ankle, the front portion of the ankle of her right foot.
Mr. Madala, Colonel Stein testified in this court that a swim swat on the deceased phone was made, and probably it was made by someone who was in possession of the deceased ID on the 27th, meaning it's the following day of the incident.
Okunokwenzeka ukuthi umuntu owenze i-swim swap kwi-phone kamufi umuntu bephethe i-ID ekamufi.
Yes.
Leyo nto ke yenzeka ngosuku olulandelayo.
Yes, angeke ngiphikise lokho mayekusho. But engikwaziyo i-ID nje for sure izinto ezinjalo ID phone umuntu ongabe ku-position yazo okay.
That I cannot dispute as you say it. And I am sure that the rightful person that would be in the possession of such items, such as the phone and as well as the ID, would be Kelly.
Yes.
And as also the same applies with the vehicles.
Okay. Did you attend the funeral for your friend?
Why? Funeral?
Yes,
yes, I did go.
Okay. Do you know if Kelly, Zandi, and Khumalo attended the funeral?
Uyakwazi ukuthi uKelly, uZandi noMakhumalo baya kuleyo funeral noma cha?
Hayi, angazi ngibabona.
No, I never saw them.
Do you know if Kelly was disbanded from attending the funeral?
Ngabe uyakwazi ukuba ngatshelwa uKelly ukuthi angayi lapho kuleyo funeral?
Angikwazi lo, angikwazi but kwangaba nzima vele uKelly akaze bayiphasise into yakhe ekakuka Senzo akaze bayiphasise ukuthi uthandano nje.
Yeah, that is difficult for me. It is evident that they did not approve of Senzo's relationship with Kelly at Senzo Meyiwa's parental home or family.
You can go back to that. You've never ever, to the police from the 27th of October 2017 until the 18th when you made your last statement, you made 3 statements to the police. You've never ever given them the facial features of the person that you say was the second suspect.
Kuzo zonke ke istatement ke owazenza kuze ngo 2017 kwaze yoba yi18 ke la wenza khona ke istatement sakho sokugcina ke awukaze unikeze ngawona ama features, the features.
The facial features.
Okay, lama features la obusoke la owachazile kuzo zonke istatement zakho awuwachazanga.
Okokuqala istatement njengoba sengishilo istatement sokuqala esasenza yebo umuntu wayengaphansi kokuthuka nakho konke lokho, but esesibili i-additional statement kwakuyimbuzo uphendula umbuzo, so if lo mbuzo awufikanga kumina bengeza ukuphendula.
Firstly,
ngatholanga la.
The first statement was when one was still shocked or under shock, and the second statement or the additional statement then, it was a question would be posed, and then I would then answer. If that question then never reached me or that question was never posed to me,